Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Yoga Mudra Therapy. Now I'm getting many mails in my email and comment box like how to increase the penis size or how to increase the linga size. So I am getting so much mail regarding this how to increase the penis size. Now here I am going to tell you about one Ayurvedic formula, that is one Thailam. We can say it is a Thailam. It is not an oil. It is a mixture of Ayurvedic herbs with ghee and milk. It is an Ayurvedic formula. So by using this method, you can you can increase the penis size. Not only the length, you can increase the girth and the length of the penis size. Girth means the circumference, that is the width of the penis also. Totally you can increase the size of the penis 100%. This formula will work 100%, definitely, no doubt. This is not a fake formula, and another thing is this don't have any side effects. So please watch the video from start to end, because I will tell the process and do's and don'ts. You must do all the do's and don'ts. You don't need to do. So there are some pathyams, and there are some things you don't do, etc. So you must do all this process, and you need to continue this from 2 weeks to 2 months, according to what the benefit or gains you are getting. So from the first week itself, after applying this method, first week itself you can feel the change. You can feel the 100%, you can feel the change within 7 days of application of this formula. So this, and also one more things I need to tell you. This Ayurvedic formula is also useful in premature ejaculation, one of the best remedy for premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, and the problem with the oligospermia. And one of the main uses for the oligospermia, those who having the problem oligospermia, that means the low count of sperm, because the count of sperm is very less in semen. So they have also used this formula. So this formula is so much beneficial for this Thailam, is so much beneficial for those who have a low count, also those who having problem in fertility problem, those who are having problem with the fertility, they can also use this formula. So main use of this formula is for this purpose, and especially for those people who having underdeveloped penis or penis, somebody pronounce it as penis. So those who having underdeveloped penis, who can use this formula for their organ development. So this is a Thailam, and you can apply this Thailam on your penis. And if you have premature ejaculation or oligospermia like that, then you can apply this formula on not only on your penis, you can apply it on your abdomen, penis part, and the scrotum area, and the pelvic muscle area. And one more thing, you can apply this formula, this Thailam only in external use only. Don't use this Thailam in internally. This Thailam is only you can use in externally only. This is one of the other thing I need to tell you. And one more thing, if you have a penis which is more than 6 inches or 5 inches, then the average size of your penis is good and functional. So no need to worry about your penis size. The penis size is okay. Those who having less penis, like 3 inches, 4 inches like that, and underdeveloped penis, or the penis will not properly erected, these conditions, or those who are worried about these conditions, they can use this formula. And one of the other thing is girth size. Some of the penis is very lean or slim, so they can also use this formula to increase the girth of the penis. So before doing this, you need to wash your penis area very carefully and wash very well with soap and water, and then only you need to apply this formula, this Thailam. And also don't apply on wet surface like a wet body after washing your penis area. Please dry your area with a cloth, and don't apply this oil on wet surface of your body. Then one more thing is, during the massage process, don't apply pressure or don't stretch your penis. I saw in YouTube many channels, they are describing how to increase the penis using stretches. So one more thing is, don't do stretches or jerking exercises to your penis. If you do this, then it will damage the veins and nerves in your penis, and it will totally damage your penis. So don't do this. I am again and again telling, don't do jerking or stretching exercise on your penis. It will totally damage your penis, and it makes damage the function of the penis also. So don't please do jerking exercise or any other exercise on your penis. And also, while applying the Thailam, don't do these type of exercises. Only do small massages only. Don't give much pressure on your penis. Do small pressure only on your penis. Don't do larger pressure on your penis. Now I will demonstrate the video how to do this Thailam application. So please watch the live demonstration carefully. Once more, namaste for the live demo. Now I will show how to use the Thailam and the demo of the Thailam. Currently I am showing the one demo Thailam bottle, because I remove the stickers everything from it, because I don't want to show you, or I don't want to market any company's products. That way I remove the stickers from this Thailam bottle. This is the Thailam. The name of the Thailam is Ashwagandhadi Yamakam. So I will tell you one more, Ashwagandhadi Yamakam. I will show in this also the name Ashwagandhadi Yamakam. These are the ingredients for this formula. There are so much key ingredients. These are mixed in ghee and milk, and this is prepared in some secret like a preparation by Ayurvedic acharyas. So we cannot prepare this formula in our home, so you must buy this from outside Ayurvedic shops or online. The formula name is Ashwagandhadi Yamakam, and this is enriched in ghee, not in oil. So it is enriched in ghee and milk. So this much be very much effective, and this formula will directly absorb by the blood. If you apply Thailam to your body, then the body directly absorb, and then it will goes to blood and it will flourish the body. So this is Ashwagandhadi Yamakam, and this is one bottle I have purchased for the sample. So I removed all the stickers because I don't want to market any of the company's products. So if you need to purchase this thing, you can search on net, or you can go to by Ayurvedic shop and purchase the product. There is no problem. You can purchase any brand item. There is no problem. You can purchase any product, any company's product. The name of this product is Ashwagandhadi Yamakam. There are so much Ashwagandha oil available on market. Don't confuse with that. This product name is Ashwagandhadi Yamakam. The main ingredient is ghee, and not oil. These are infused in ghee. The key ingredients are infused in ghee. So now I will show the oil, because it is in semi paste like format, because this is ghee. So in normal temperature it will become solidified. So it is like a thick paste or semi-solid plasma state, ghee like state. So first you need to take on it on your hand. So when it is put in your hand body temperature, then the ghee starts to melts, so it will become again oil. So don't heat this in with fire or something. Don't do like that. You can take the solidified form of Thailam to your hand. Then when it reaches your normal body temperature, it will automatically melts. So then now apply this on your penis. So very slightly, don't give any pressure from the base to top of your penis. Please apply this oil from base part to top part. Please apply this oil. Very slowly you can apply this oil and apply all the part of your penis, not only top. You can apply top, bottom and side part, head part of the penis. All the part you need to apply this Thailam and massage very slowly. Don't do jelqing, and again I'm repeating, don't do jelqing and don't do stretches. Only slightly massage on your penis part, very slightly massage it. So this oil duration is up to 1.5 hours. You can continue this process for 1 to 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. So repeatedly you need to massage, like if 5 minutes you can massage, then take rest for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then again massage for 5 minutes. Like that you can periodically you can massage and then take the rest. So after 1.5 hour or 2 hours of application of this oil, you can wash out of these oils from your body. And some of the precautions are I already tell you. First, before you are doing, please wash the penis area very carefully and clearly. So please wash your penis area very carefully and clear all the dirt from the penis. Otherwise, if you don't wash, then it will cause us urine infection. So please aware of that. Urine infection will cause us to you. So please carefully watch the area, and then only please apply the oil. So before applying, make the body part is dry. So use a good towel and please dry your area. Don't apply the oil on wet part. This is the another thing. And after application of the oil, you need to do this massage and everything for 1.5 hours. After this, again go for bathing and do bathing and wash all the remaining oils, ghee, Thailam from your body. And one more thing, don't apply this oil and go to bed or don't sleep directly. Don't go for sleep or don't go for sleep or don't go for to bed directly. After washing only you need to go. So be aware of that. Don't directly go for sleeping. You must wash after completing the oil massage for 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Then you must wash and take a bath. This is a must thing you need to do. And another thing is, for the oil massage, your stomach must be empty or half empty. Please don't do massage after taking a large meal. So please don't do like that. If your stomach is full, please don't do the massage. After meal, then take it 2 hours and then do this process. And another thing is, if you are continuing this oil massage, then avoid this red chili. Please avoid from your diet this red chili from your diet. And another thing is the tamarind. So tamarind also you must avoid from your diet. Please avoid tamarind from your diet. You must avoid tamarind from your diet. And another thing is liquor and smoking. You need to avoid liquor and smoking also during this process. Please avoid liquor and smoking during this process. Please avoid this one also. So these process you must avoid during this process, otherwise this will not give the proper result. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Please share my videos. Please subscribe my channel. If you like it, please subscribe. I wish everybody have a fruitful and joyful life. I wish everybody have a good life, healthful life. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you. Will sure come with another video with a health issue related problem. Thank you.